been issued by the civil authorities. Please stand by for further instructions. A civil danger warning has been issued for the entire Blue River State by the civil authorities until further notice. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. Even if you are residing within the 10-mile radius of the power plant, stay inside. Do not go outside. The mandatory evacuations for all residences that are residing within the 10-mile radius of the power plant have been lifted. Do not under any circumstances leave your shelter. Those who had evacuated will be sent further to another state. Something has emerged from the rubbles of the power plant. It appears to be a horde of entities that are at least 10 feet tall. These entities are very easy to spot as they are covered in what appears to be a blue and light green slush. If you see these entities outside your home, immediately call your local law enforcement. Do not interact with them. These entities are most likely highly radioactive. They have already started to infect residences that were trying to evacuate. These entities are possibly made out of some kind of radioactive sludge. Again, we advise everyone to not approach them as you might risk getting infected. We will be working with the Anomaly Research Facility in order to contain or terminate these anomalies. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.